Ya estoy grabando. Listo.
Hi, we are team number 2, and this is our video for the practice of the PLC programming. So first of all, what we did is we declare all our variables. We declare the two states of the first cylinder that we are going to call cylinder A, and we declare the two states for the second cylinder that we are going to call cylinder B. Uh, These variables were declared as input because it's the signal of the sensor. Then we declare the variable UA plus, that it's an output, and UA minus, that are the values that are going to change the valves, so the first cylinder change position. And then we did the same for the second cylinder with the UV plus and UV minus, and these ones are outputs. And then we declare a variable that we name counter, that it's an electrical variable, and this one help us to do all the calculations we need to do in order to get the expected behavior.
So as you can see in the first segment, we make the first step of the practice where we have to make the wait of 4 seconds. So in this segment, we make the behavior of standby by 4 and then make the oscillation to 1. So in this segment, you can see that A is retracted with our input 0.0. Then this signal is going to be delayed by 4 seconds, that is entered with in PT, and the output of this segment will be cause the segment A to be extended, to go to the state of extend. Yeah.
In segment 2, we have our logic counter, where we have a counter that counts every time that the text B is extended until we have 3 times when it sets our electrical variable counter to 1. To reset the counter, we have to detect that A is retracted.
Okay, and for the segment 3, we had that first we have our variable that it happens to the A extended, and then it's the B retracted. As you can see there, right away connected, this means like it's an AND condition. So it will be applied if you have only the A extended and the B retracted. And also, once you can have this action, it will increment 1 in the counter, and it will try to retract or extend the B. So it will be a continuous movement in between while this condition is being followed.
And for the fourth segment, we can see that we also connect them in series, which means that it's an AND. And we can see here that in order to activate the UV minus variable, we need to have the B extended variable and the A extended variable, which tell us that only with both cylinders are extended, the B minus variable is going to be active, and this is going to cause the second cylinder to retract.
So finally, we are going to, okay, yep. So when our counter reach the state limit of zero, our B is going to be retracted. So this means that there is no more action. And finally, our segment A or our piston A will be retracted to the A minus state. So now, Diana, can you please establish the online connection?
Sure. It was here and then
Yeah,
wait.
and then here in play.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. So the visual code is working fine. The counter is going, no, more up, please. And the counter is, no, down. A little bit segment two. Yeah, that one. The counter is going from 0 to 3, counting the 3 times that Bx is extended. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and then makes the counter and A is retracting, making the system to reset. And Umberto is going to show the visual project.
Well, thanks to the camera, we can see that the system waits 4 seconds before it starts doing the dynamics, where it extends A and waits to B extends 3 times, and then A is retracted and start the cycles again.
Well, thank you. This is all our practice.